Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video series, we are going to learn about LangChain, a powerful framework for building AI-powered applications. Whether you are a beginner or someone with some coding experience, this series will help you understand LangChain step by step. In this first video, we will cover what is LangChain, why is it useful, the prerequisite for this course. Let's start with basics. What is LangChain? LangChain is a framework that helps developer build applications powered by large language models like OpenAI's GPT. But what does that mean? Imagine you want to build a chatbot that can answer questions about your personal documents like PDFs or text files. Normally, LLMs like GPT don't have access to your files, but with LangChain, you can connect the LLM to your data and create a powerful application. Here how it works. You provide the LLM with your data. LangChain helps the LLM understand and process that data. You can chain multiple tasks together, like querying a database, summarizing text, or even generating code. For example, let's say you want to build a chatbot that can answer questions about book. With a LangChain, you can upload a book's text, ask the chatbot question like what's the main theme of this book. The chatbot will use the LLM to analyze the text and give you an answer. Pretty cool, right? LangChain makes it easy to build such applications without needing to be an AI expert. Now, now that you know what LangChain is, let's talk about the prerequisites for this course. To follow along, you will need a basic knowledge of Python. Don't worry, if you are not an expert, we will keep things simple. VS Code. This is the code editor we will use. You can download it for the free. Once you have these tools ready, you are all set to start building with LangChain. That's it for this video. In the next one, we will dive into setting up LangChain and creating your first application. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!